to record you vacuuming. I'll cut your face out of it. I'll cut your face out. Just do it.
Turn it off.
No, Pooter. Vacuum. You have to do it. You have no choice. You just do it.
Please turn it off.
I'm not going to videotape your face.
You are right now.
I'll delete this one and make
No.
another one.
Please stop.
Pooter, I'm bored you now.
Play your stupid games.
You're evil.
Leave me alone.
No, Pooter, look at the vacuum.
Leave me alone.
Pooter, vacuum.
What the?
With you.
My hair touched my ear. Can you please turn it off? Please, please, please.
Pooter, just vacuum. You were doing such a good job. That's Daniel, if you guys heard
Did you
that
hear
one.
them? He said, oh.
No! I want to watch it. I want to watch it get stuffed up.
No.
Bye-bye. Stop it. Stop it.
Turn it off, please. Please.
Just finish. You're like you're sleeping with the vacuum cleaner.
Please turn it off.
Can't at least say bye.
Bye-bye.
But look at it.
No.
Look at the camera.
Please.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
No. Hey, look.
It's off.
You're lying.
I'm not lying.
I can
It's
tell
off.
in your voice, see? Stop, please.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you being a baby?
Screw you. You know what? This will make you turn it off.
No!